Oh man, we're gonna do the boiling thing again. Dang. Well, I'm here, it's here. Let me just look. If I just quit in the middle, I know how to close that fast. Ooh. Okay. A little honey or syrup, which I'll be happy about either way. Ah, that looks good. I want to tell myself that's honey. I guess it could be syrup, but it looks really good. It looks like there's a lot of it. So that's awesome, as far as I know. I feel like it's looking really good. I'm crushing them when I set these corners down, though I'm totally trying not to do that. Yeah, I see it happening. I've had a lot of advice to try and avoid it. And I am actually trying. I think I'm not that, I don't know. Maybe I don't have the muscle memory for it yet. Or just the technique. Is this inside or outside? Outside. Okay, yeah, so they probably know that I am squishing them a little bit more than I meant to. Okay, I feel like honey and syrup, honey and syrup, honey and syrup. Ooh, lots of bees. Yay. Oh, I bet you I know what goldenrod smell is now. Oh, there's a lot of them, and I can just hear that I shouldn't be setting it down quite like that. Okay, though actually that smell that I smell, maybe that might tell me it's honey instead of sugar syrup, at least hopefully in some cases. Though really, I don't know how to tell the difference, but if you do know how you tell the difference, let me know. Okay, to me, I say these bees have a lot of food. And they're getting loud, which probably means I need to either chill out or pick up the pace. Ideally both. Oh, they are getting a little more antsy. Okay, that one was all either honey or syrup. I'm hoping for a little bit of honey. It looks like their food supply is good either way. However, I also brought back an extra bucket of honey because I think we might have miscounted at the Bee Castle Bee Yard. So I have an extra I might could put on here.
Did you see any brood at all in that top chamber?
No.
Okay, so you got to go down one then.
Okay, they are so loud. I don't know. Oh man, we're gonna do the boiling thing again. Dang. Okay, at this point you'll have to wish me luck. This is, I'm not great at this part. Yet. Okay, if I find any brood, I am moving on to the next one. These guys are not thrilled. I am not seeing any eggs. I am seeing a lot of bees running away and eating sugar on the top, which makes me think I might be doing something wrong here. Ugh. Now I'm getting worried about this hive. I was worried about the others. Now I'm starting to think this has no brood or evidence. Eggs, larvae, all those good things. Okay, I was worried about the last hive, now I'm worried about this hive. Is this the, yes. Is that why they're being so weird? Because they have no eggs? I think this is pollen and honey. I really don't think this is, I really don't think this is eggs. Okay, this is seriously not what I was expecting at all. Whoa, 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 bees up on my shoes. Okay, this is not what I wanted. This is the opposite of what I wanted.
Is that one up on top?
Okay, this is not what I wanted today at all. Not even close. Oh man, look on the ground. Alright, should we go on to this side or give up for the day?
It's up to you.